Alright guys, I got a 2000 Arctic Cat 500 standard, and it won't start. Turn the key on and you press the button and nothing happened. So I noticed somebody, previous owner, had a push button, start button here. I will show you how to fix this little push button here. So nothing's happening. So I looked on YouTube and I can't find anything. So I will show you how to fix that little problem here. So I'm gonna skip ahead to, nobody wants to see guys taking screws off. So if you know how to take screws off, you take this off, the hole, and I'll show you after. Alright, stage 2. You take the 2 screws, that was from holds it on the handle, and that's what it looks like inside. So the wire here is for high and low. This one is your on-off switch. So you take that screw here and this one, and the access the starter switch right here underneath there. So I'm going to take the screws off and show you after. Okay, so I took this screw off. This one can stay, and this little plate here right there covers this on-off switch. So basically you just pull this off. Not hard to do with one hand. There. Pull this off, which is basically a little lever. This is for your on-off switch right here. It'll go sideways here from left to right. So what's going on in here? So you take this switch right out, take that one out, and I don't know if I can place my phone so you guys can see what's going on here. My messy bench. Alright. Okay. So you're going to take this switch out. Okay, basically this switch, on-off switch, just slides in and out. It goes in or out. So I pull it out, make some room. And after, you're gonna push on that and to get the other one out. Okay, YouTubers. Alright, got the switch out. So basically, take that out of the holder, and then you're just gonna pry a little bit, and then it opens it up. So you're gonna have a spring, one in the middle. This is what goes wrong with this. It'll get corroded. It's copper right there. It gets corroded. So what do? You take a piece of sandpaper and you just sand it. That's it. You make connection good again. Take a little piece of sandpaper and you just sand the sides right there. Spring's got to set in here, and the button's going to push on the center. So you need to sand the side of it. You sand the spring right there. You sand the edge, that side and this side. Nice and shiny. Now the spring's going to make contact on the outside, and after that you sand this point of the start button. This going to touch in here. That's how your switch works. And I had a broken wire here behind, so fix that. And I sanded it up because it wasn't making contact. So it's very easy. And if you want, you can take this one apart, pull on one side. That's it. Pull on the other side and it separates, and you sand this part. Already done. Did this side. Put it back together. Very easy. So if you have a screwdriver, you got two hands and a head on your shoulder, you know how to take that apart. Just save you, I don't know, probably a couple $100 labor anyways. That's it. There's your fix to fixing the switch. Okay, everything's sanded. Now, figure I'm not gonna end it like that. I'm gonna show you how to put it together. So if my phone can stay right there, insert this in there, plastic piece, and put it back in place. Now there's a bigger slot on top, smaller on the bottom. You're gonna line them up. Works better when you got small fingers. There. Right. Gonna press them together. Squeeze that piece back in there, and there you go. See how it works? That's it. You gotta shove that switch back in the hole. Need a little screwdriver here. Line things up. There. There. And this one will go back into place. We'll go like this, down. And once you're done fighting with this, and then your on-off switch will go back there. Put that screw there, and you put the cover in. That's it, and you're done. All right, guys. I put the switch back. One thing you gotta make sure is before you go to all this problem, connect your switch back, and you want to be able to try it before you mount it all up and figure out how this works. So you turn the key on and make sure it's on run, and that's it. So there's how you fix a start button, and make sure your battery is always full. Thanks, and